not going nowhere. Now it's time to unload it. Hey folks, back at the cabin again this weekend, doing some more chores. Just put together this table, campfire table, and there's a story behind the table, guys. This table actually belonged to my father-in-law, and he had it at his cabin many years ago. He actually built it. He's built it himself. It's heavy as anything, heavy as lead. But comes apart in pieces, and the way he designed it is that he could take it down in the winter time, store it away in the shed, and put it back up in the summer. But we used it around the campfire at the old cabin and stuff, and it was great. So you see from the pictures here that it is a semicircle design, and like I said, it's a bit of a unique design that he came up with, and nothing's fancy but other than a bit of 2x4, 2x6, and a few nuts and bolts to put it back together, and so on. So anyway, we're going to enjoy it here at our cabin for the next little while. I got to do a few repairs on it. It's show its age a bit, but that's fine. And the rest of the day here now, we're going to do a little cook up on the fire. Gonna cook up some battle moos, and Jeanette's got a little surprise of what she's going to make throw on the grill. So anyway, guys, enjoy the video. There's lots of wildlife here the weekend. I think I've seen 4 rabbits and a grouse down there doing his thing, trying to entice the females along. So spring is definitely around, and we're doing a few more projects to go along with that. So stay tuned, guys, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the subscribers. Oh yes, I want to mention, I got these came this week. I ordered them a while ago. I only got a few right now, but for family and stuff. But I will be planning to give away one in an upcoming contest. I'm at 438 subscribers right now, so my plan is to give away a hat and some other things. I got to put together a little prize package now in the next couple weeks, and for my big 500 subscriber mark. So if you're not subscribed, I suggest you go over to the YouTube channel, log in and subscribe to the channel, so you keep up to date on the upcoming videos and such, and you'll have a chance to enter the contest when I do that contest announcement. So it'll be a few more weeks yet, folks, before I get to 500. But other than that, when we do, there will be a hat and a prize, and some other things. I gotta put together a prize package now in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, leave a comment, and talk to you on the next video, folks. Now, folks, this is the first time I've ever cooked this. And for those that don't know, this is Bannock, or our version of Bannock. Jeanette found the recipe online, and so it's some baking powder, flour, butter, salt. I'm sure there might be others out there that got different Bannock recipes, which is fine, and that works for everybody. This is just our version. We're going to give it a try, and I'm going to try it on this grill thing that I have. Might be different than everybody else out there, but hey, we're going to give it a go. It might be stuck on time I'm finished, but hey, and we're going to cook it over the open fire. So let's just see if this works. If not, I'm sure I'll still eat it anyway. So anyway, that's what we got. So a bit of Bannock, and I'll put the recipe in the description below in the video for those who are interested. But like I said, we just Googled it on the internet, and it should be great. And over here, when I get my Bannock cooked, I'm going to dip it in some bottle mousse. We're going to cook up some bottle mousse here now. The fire is getting there. I'm going to put the grate on there now and get the mousse warmed up. Throw a couple more pieces. I got lots of kindling from scrap stuff around that I've been using. Got a few slabs in there. The fire's going good. So stay tuned. We're going to cook our Bannock and our mousse, and we're going to enjoy it. Keep watching it, guys. It might burn up too quickly on me. Oh yeah, starting to look good, guys. Well, it's brownie on the outside anyway. I'm hoping it's cooked in the middle. We shall see. Get a little dirty to get it off. Got into the grooves. No big deal, we'll get it off. It's warm. Oh, it looks good, guys. Looks really good. Get it off the grill. Might be a bit doughy, but hey, it's all good. Yeah, it is a bit doughy. Not quite cooked. Most of it's cooked. Like I said, it's the first time we've done this, and the first time I cooked it on this grill thing, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Could use a few more minutes, but now we know for next time. So, nice and crispy on the outside. Looks good. Now I'm going to put this on my plate, like so. And I think Jeanette is going to have hers with a few French fries that she cooked in the cabin, but I'm going to put the mousse on. Oh, folks, looking tasty, gotta say. Now, folks, give her a try. A little bit doughy, but hey, that makes it that much better. Didn't quite make gravy with it, guys, just a bit of liquid. With bottle moose. Some bannock. Delicious, folks. Now, waiting for my cup of tea to kettle to boil over there. Get a cup of tea, wash it all down. Alright guys, I stay here and enjoy this. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. And like I said, coming up, I'm gonna have a contest, and when I get up to 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a contest and give away one of these hats, along with some other, make up a prize pack. So just a simple hat with my logo on it, and I'll make up a prize pack with some other things. I think I'm going with fishing related stuff this time, because we are out next weekend now. Trout season opens, so we'll be right in the middle of trouting season by the time my next video comes out. Or hopefully before the summer shade hits us, I'll be up to 500 subscribers. 5,000 be nice, yeah. 500 subscribers, and we'll run a contest. So take care, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. I'm gonna go back and enjoy my moose. Thanks for watching. Cheers.